Glory to Jesus Christ, glory to the God forever. So, it can happen that for some smartphones like HTC or other trademarks, you can have such a situation when you cannot play or replay your recorded video if you have such a phone that can record with high resolution, not only video but also audio. It has using some not AC3 format but for example FLAC. Here is an example. We have a video with the extension MKV. It can also be MP4. So you see details of the video. As you see, audio 64 kilobits per second, discretion kilohertz you see. So such it is. So exact details of this video is the following. So as you see, MKV format, video stream and audio codec, FLAC, sampling rate you see, and stereo 2 channels. So for example, clicking on this video and we are trying to play it into these players that are included in Microsoft Windows operating system. The first one, as you see, we have such an error. It cannot be played, so we are going to close it. Let us open it in Windows Media Player. It cannot play it also, but we do not have here the name of the problem, of the error, so we are going to close it. So what we need to do in order to have possibility to play it, but it will only affect the Windows Media Player. It has the simplest and best video player that is included in any version of Windows. So we are going to install very simple filter. Just write in Google low filters and this name of version. It will take very small part of our space. It is this codec is the smallest one regarding, for example, quality codec pack. So but we don't need to install everything. We need audio for high resolution FLAC, but it will allow us only to play audio files with high resolution. But in order to connect it with video file like MKV format container or MP4 format container, we also need to install splitter. We don't need to install video. Who has any other problems can install video, so we just install audio. Firstly, I'm going to use it with administration rights, but you can use probably without that. So after installing it, we need to install splitter. It has connection between high resolution audio and video or high resolution either. So in any case, if you will have some problems and you need connection with some type of different video, or your video isn't playing at all, so you need to install this third one. But in the current situation there is no use to install even the third one. So after installing these two, we are going to return to our video and we are going to play it. As you see, with the embedded new Microsoft Windows player, you cannot play this, so we are going to close. But at the same time, when opening it with general most simple and smallest, probably the smallest Windows Media Player. You can see it can be played with no problems at all. As you see, the details of the video are shown here, but the speed of stream will be shown incorrectly for any stream, but it doesn't matter. As you can see, you can play high resolution audio file connected with video. So this is about who wants to check in the registry. This is about this type of FLAC decodification of your device. So such a manual, it is glorify the God forever.